Hey there, JIRA enthusiasts, are you ready for some practical Q&A on everyone's favorite project management tool? Well, you're in luck because today we have 10 practical questions on JIRA, and we've got our expert Steve, who will help with answers for you. Let's dive in. Welcome Steve. Here is question number 1. How can I create a new project in JIRA?
Creating a new project in JIRA is simple. Just navigate to the Projects section, click on Create Project, select the project template that suits your needs, such as Scrum or Kanban, provide the necessary details, and voila! Your new project is ready to go.
Moving on to question number 2. Steve, what is the difference between a workflow and a workflow scheme in JIRA?
Great question. A workflow is a series of steps that represent the life cycle of an issue in JIRA, while a workflow scheme is a mapping between a workflow and a project. In simpler terms, a workflow defines the process, and a workflow scheme assigns that process to a specific project.
Let's look at question number 3. Steve, how can I assign an issue to someone in JIRA?
Assigning an issue is easy. Simply open the issue, click on the Assign button, and choose the person you want to assign it to from the drop-down list. You can also use the @mention feature by typing it followed by the person's name to assign the issue directly in the comment section.
Next up, question number 4. How can I track the progress of a project using JIRA?
JIRA offers several features to track project progress. You can use agile boards like Scrum or Kanban boards to visualize the status of your tasks and issues. Additionally, you can create custom dashboards with relevant project metrics, charts, and reports to monitor progress at a glance.
Thank you, Steve. Moving on to question number 5. Can I integrate JIRA with other tools?
Absolutely! JIRA integrates seamlessly with various tools commonly used in software development. You can connect JIRA with collaboration tools like Confluence and Slack, version control systems like Git or Bitbucket, and even testing tools like Zephyr. Integrations enhance communication, streamline workflows, and promote team collaboration.
Question number 6. How can I ensure effective communication within my team using JIRA?
JIRA provides several communication features to foster collaboration. You can leave comments on issues to provide updates, ask questions, or share important information. You can also use @mention to notify specific team members, ensuring they're aware of the discussion. Leveraging these features keeps everyone in the loop and promotes effective communication.
Steve, let's move on to question number 7. How can I create custom fields in JIRA?
Custom fields allow you to capture additional information that is specific to your project or organization. To create custom fields in JIRA, go to the Administration section, find the Custom Fields option, and follow the prompts to create fields tailored to your requirements.
Question number 8. Can I track time spent on tasks in JIRA?
Absolutely! JIRA offers a built-in time tracking feature. You can log time spent on issues directly within JIRA, allowing you to track effort, estimate completion dates, and monitor team productivity. It's a valuable feature for managing project timelines and resource allocation.
Next up, question number 9. Can I generate reports and metrics in JIRA?
Yes, you can! JIRA provides a range of reporting and analytics capabilities. You can generate pre-built reports to track project progress, issue statistics, and team performance. Additionally, you can create custom reports using JIRA's query language, JQL, or utilize plugins and apps to visualize and analyze data.
And finally, here is question number 10. Steve, how can I ensure data security and permissions in JIRA?
JIRA offers robust security and permission features to protect your project data. You can define user roles and assign appropriate permissions to control who can view, edit, or perform specific actions on issues. Additionally, JIRA allows you to set up secure authentication methods and integrate with existing user directories.
And there you have it, folks, 10 practical questions on JIRA, answered by our expert. Thank you, Steve. We hope this Q&A session has provided you with valuable insights into JIRA and its functionalities. I hope you liked this video and gained knowledge. Please remember to like and subscribe our channel so you don't miss more videos like this. Thank you.